Hi everyone. I want to meet Georgi and ask him how he live in this new house. And later we will go to Sam Clark. Really so noisy this side. Well, he go to Sam Clark, but I will take video in Fields Avenue. 1 hour I have time because at evening I meet with my friend and CDC Park. They will jogging. Maybe Georgi also want, I don't know. Hi Georgi. Oh. How are you? What? I want to close. Yeah, a bit noisy, really noisy.
Dust.
Noisy and dust. Dark here. So you already know where better sleep? Because before you don't know where you better sleep for you.
Now I understand the problem.
Uh-huh.
There is a river.
River.
On the north side.
Uh-huh, yes.
And in the night time, smell comes inside the building, everywhere here, and in this room also. But not too much, but still not. Because window also here, and window you can maybe see. I feel even now. I feel smell.
You feel smell?
Yes.
What smells?
Hydrogen sulfide.
Really?
But at night time it's much more. And because it's heavy, when I walk like this, it's maybe okay. But when I go into sleep...
So if you lay in the bed, you feel smell...
Yes, because hydrogen sulfide is heavy. So that's why it's not good. But this room is okay.
So you try it in another room?
Yes, I try to sleep in this room. But one problem here is you see light. Because, wait, careful. You see I open already. I want to switch 0 and face. Maybe face go there and 0 through the switch. I need to swap. 0 go there, so face. So this aircon, no remote control. And you see the socket. It's a socket. I cannot use Wi-Fi adapter with this socket, so I need to change.
I give to you before Wi-Fi adapter. You cannot use.
Usually parallel, but here in one line.
Strange, really.
I need to change maybe.
You can buy this hardware now.
Maybe.
Just only socket change.
Yes, if I can use Wi-Fi adapter, I can use my phone as remote control. So
Yeah, switch on, switch off
when I wake
aircon.
up, for example, in the night, I can switch on from.
So this is room better for you?
For smells, yes.
For smell?
Here, no smells. But all the aircon, so I need to clean because you see dust here. So yeah, dust.
Yes, you can clean. It's easy.
I clean and fix adapter, power adapter. So more probably I will sleep here.
You already tried sleep?
I try already, yes, but I sleep there, here, there again. This night is.
It's not good for you if so many choice for sleep. You can sleep even here.
No, it's smell not good.
Smell not good.
Everywhere here, it's the night time. Because I think it happens because daytime many cars going there and wind and no smells. But when at the night time nobody driving here and smells come slowly from the river.
No, today another wind, different wind today.
Not windy.
Yes, north wind is
maybe yes, maybe it depends on the wind.
Depend on the direction wind, yes.
Yes, if north side.
Also you can close window.
it's closed already everything, but only this one it's kind of closed because broken. So I want to close this, but it's broken.
Okay. No, put something paper here and like this is okay.
Yes, no, but still. And window here, it's open. I can close, but
Yes, close.
I don't
Easy
know
to-
what better. No, now it's okay, but night time.
No, you can close now.
Maybe I can close.
Because your aircon also there. So now we go into the SM.
Yes.
In an SM you want to buy something. I will.
Yes, maybe adapter like this, but not parallel, but in one line.
Mhm.
If they have this.
Georgi, people asking, you pay 10,000 peso.
Yes.
Electricity, it's not included. It's depend of how
Electricity, what I pay
Mhm.
separate.
how internet already have
Internet, yes,
Mhm.
included.
included. Okay.
Yes,
What you think about you stay now in the place where don't have foreigners? It's a place for local people. What you feel? I know you already so many times walking to hypermarket. I see you how you walk. It's safety or what you feel? Because I know before you always walk in Balibago and you said Balibago dirty now, construction workers. So this area better for you than Balibago?
no, still 3 days, 3 nights. I
3
don't
nights.
know.
Traveling.
It's better because no beggars here.
Mhm.
Nobody trying to take my head. For example, some child can go and ask to give money or something like this.
Mhm.
So
Different people
not,
here.
Not yes.
Mhm.
But maybe better to live in the building for foreigners. The upper floor is better.
Same like Candy, better for
Yes,
you.
because this floor, road.
Yes,
even
problem road.
Ground, second, third floor is not good, I think,
Mhm.
because dust from the road. So better floor number 5, for example.
Mhm.
Up.
When I start build house very close from this house, this is road. This is end of the road. It's a closed road. Don't have so many cars. It's only who live in houses nearby. But now they build Fiesta. It's big condominium, and many cars go to Fiesta, and also open road to Dow. That's why everybody drive through here this road. But this road is Kamachili's road, but they use nighttime. Of course, they close from 9 p.m. But before 9 p.m. and from 5 a.m. so noisy, not easy to. Even TV watch, you need to use headset sometimes because you cannot hear or you can volume up. So live better. Of course, it's better. It's same like condominium with security guard. But I already built house. For me, it's okay already. Okay, Georgi, let's go. You need go to the SM, but I need go to the Fields Avenue. I want to take video for our subscribers in It's My Life Philippines channel. This is PLDT. And also have phone.
Yes.
Oh, good. TV is new. Really have number?
Yes.
Oh,
It's working.
working.
Yes.
Good. But you can live also here. Have aircon. Have.
No, that's
Because noisy.
it's you see.
Not comfortable for you.
Yes. I have 2 empty rooms,
Uh-huh.
and I can decide how to
Okay.
use.
Okay. Share a sister park car in this place, in this area. It's also share a family tricycle. We have so many. I have tricycles, electric bikes, and I park my car and my motorcycle, Aerox, scooter Aerox, under where my home. Yeah, umbrella need umbrella. Even now don't have rain, but sometimes children also say, oh, how we say, kuya, not kuya, give me coins. Sometimes, but not always. If I see foreigner, okay, let's go.
Here they tell kuya.
Huh?
They tell kuya here, but there they tell sir.
Sir.
Here give me money.
Sir, give me money. No, we not give. Not we not ask.
Halaman sa'yo na di makaporma Kahit anong place o pinapag-play Sa mga bumakay ng kapalit Kaya nakasalamin Bakit ay halata Dapat tingin Yung pagtingin ko lumalang
with Georgie, and we're going to CDC Park. Finish filming and film ceremony. We decide with Georgie if time now about 10 p.m. We already jogging. I'm a bit hungry right now. My number. I will take foods. $22, 1922. Georgi, your number also have. Thank you for watching and see you next video.